Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sir Abdul Majid. My name is Raihan Rif Syamil bin Muhammad Azri. What we will be doing today is understanding corrosion in manufacturing engineering. So for the company name and objective, I will give it to the next person. I'm
Okay, I can explain about material, the corrosion. Um, this Benke Iron Tech Engineering. This field study to place at Iron Tech Engineering, a local metal fabrication company in Kampung Tujuh, Kuantan, Pahang. The company focus on product and installing steel gate with the grill and metal face for both home and business. The main goal of the study was to learn how corrosion affect steel in real industry conditions. Corrosion is the slow damage of metal due to chemical reaction with its soldering. In steel fabrication is caused decoloration, weaken the surface and can lead the product failure. Through the workshop, we see students observe various type of corrosion and learning how the company reduct of prevent team using practical technique. Challenge by the company location of field study, rest operation on raw steel before painting or after cutting and welding. Paint, filling or creating dual and event coating or post surface preparation. Motor track in tight joint corner, hidden correction, increased cost on delay when corroded part need to be reworked. Correction type of disease is three correction. Number one, uniform. Number two, beating and crevice. Uniform correction is general surface resting on mid steel bar and forming. Beating correction is molded hole appearing on surface that drop moisture. Gravity correction is located attached in narrow group such a wedding corner. Objective the correction to identify and describe at least three types of corrosion found in a steel fabrication workshop. To analyze the main cause of each corrosion type and how then occur in daily operation. To examine the corrosion prevention technique practiced by Iron Tech Engineering. To discuss how corrosion control support environmental and sustainable manufacturing. The uniform corrosion is the event as this film on unpainted steel bar. But steel surface where exposed to humid air and oxygen. Type process slowly but affect large areas. Working the corrosion disk during rainy winter, raw steel often develop surface transmitting to for hours in white and coated. The metal company remove to using sandpaper with brush then apply red or say primer exactly. Heating correction, the correction container found near opposite of the workshop. This is a small, deep pit and dark spot. Rainwater dripper from the roof. Water droplets stay on the surface, causing faster correction in top spots. This type correction more dangerous, this uniform correction, because can deeper into the metal. Risk heat from welding, changing metal composition. This pattern correction disinfect broken white surface, improve luminescence, and repair the metal on time. And the next type of correction is the cleavage. Cleavage correction was found around bottle joints, hangers, and the corner of grill frames. It's happening, the correction, the drill, uh, pain reduce and trapping molecule, create oxygen, pore area inside neural crack. That become site causing correction to spread under coating. Um, Company make sure welding are smooth and properly sealed. Extra point is cleaving correction is applied to corner and finishing grill are stored vertically so water can drain instead of collecting.